we have a square with area 100, which means that the lengths are going to be 10 by 10, just square rooting the 100. We've got a triangle with area 24 centimeters squared, that's QRT, so that's this one here, and we want to work out what this is. So the way I did this question is I noticed that they both got the same base as the square, and their heights, whilst we don't know what they are, they will add to the 10. So what that means is surely their area will equal the area of this green triangle that I've just drawn. And the green triangle will be a half base times height. So it's ultimately going to be 50. And what I'm saying therefore is that the two triangles here the area will sum to 50. And therefore it must be 26. I'm going to go through this in a bit more detail if you're not happy with that. We can label the heights of the triangle h1, h2. Note that h1 plus h2 equals 10. Okay, that's a little condition we'll use later on. Now we know that a half h1 times 10 is actually it's normally a half base times height, so let me do that again. A half times 10 times h1, that's the area of the first triangle. And then I'm going to be adding a half times 10 times h2. I'm adding these two together. Now that will equal 5h1 plus 5h2, which I can factorize, 5h1 plus h2. And remember, we know that this is 10, so I've just proven that the area is in fact a half. So I was doing it intuitively the first time around, and now I'm proving it using algebra. And then it's the same idea, we can just do 50 minus 24 to give 26. Just one other method I'm going to show you. I've seen questions where I've tried to use algebra and it's just got unnecessarily complicated. So don't ever rule out drawing on a diagram and trying to make, just create simple shapes. It can actually be just make the questions much easier. So if you draw a horizontal line going through T and a vertical line going through T, then there's something we can immediately spot actually, because these two are the same and these two are the same. These two are the same because they're all rectangles and we're just splitting it down the middle, and these two are the same. So it must again be that the sum of the two triangles is equal to 50 because we've got two blues, two reds, so overall it's 100. So the red plus the blue plus the purple plus the green must be 50. And then again, just like before, it's going to be 50 minus 24. So yeah, this is a nice approach, which avoids algebra, but shows that it's true. So hopefully you're happy with one of these approaches. Well done.